Okay. Hi,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good
Hello.
afternoon.
Yeah, good
How is
afternoon.
yes? How is you doing?
Nothing. I'm just walking in my land.
Okay. Shall you introduce?
Yeah, of course. First of all, my name is Kalamuddin Mansuri. I'm from Siwan, Bihar, and I have done my 12th from GP Siwan. And now I'm doing diploma from Government Polytechnic Siwan. And I like playing cricket. That's all about me. And
Okay, you are a student, and
yeah,
currently you are doing polytechnic.
I'm doing Polytechnic from my
Second
home.
year, or first year,
Yeah,
first year, second year, yeah, first year.
I'm in second year.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
good. But how is the weather there? Because you are outside from home, and there it's too hot, and the temperature goes very high.
yeah. It is very high, hot in summer. I'm in a like plant tree like मैं यहाँ पे
Yes,
हूँ.
yes, yes. Okay.
Now
Yes,
here
and
good weather.
yes, shall I introduce first, and after that we do conversation. And I'm
Yeah,
someone from Haryana. I am
yeah,
homemaker. Yes, I am BSc B.Ed, MA English, and B.Lib, M.Lib, and I also clear my STAT, CTAT, CET, and screening exam. And my hobbies
yeah.
are singing, dancing, gardening, driving, and nowadays I create new hobbies like connecting new people through conversation. That's all about me.
Oh, it's very good. Nice.
And why should you learn this language? Because you are a student, and presently you are doing your technical course, Polytechnic. And what is the need of learning this language?
Yeah, it is very important language. We all know like English is international language, so it is very helpful if I learn this language, and it is very helpful for me to in any getting job in our further life. Any
Okay.
interview I can clear through this language, so it is very important for our further life. So i I just started to learn this language, and through
Okay.
this conversation. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm just beginner. No, I don't know, I'm not in English too much.
So if you, there are many co-learners. I'm also beginner because
Yeah,
I also started my journey before 1 month ago, and everyone's learned this language.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Yeah, no issue. Whenever we speak only, whether we speak wrong or right doesn't matter. Only we speak in front of other people, and you are doing very well. And
yeah.
you do how many conversation do you attend?
Only one conversation I attend in this platform. Before 10 days before I started just this language, and
Okay, okay.
I always watch on YouTube YouTube videos on YouTube, and
Oh,
related to learning English.
yes,
And
yes.
I
First, only you have listened conversation video. After that, you listen other grammar video after you work. But first of all, you listen only conversation video. That
Yeah,
video helps you very much.
yeah.
Yes. And first you listen, and after that you copy that video. Sometimes you make sentence like whatever they are saying to someone, so it is helpful for us.
I'm
Every
not getting you.
okay. And how many siblings do you have?
What?
How many siblings, how many brothers sisters do you have?
Yeah. I have one elder brother, and I have one uh, younger sister. I have one elder brother and one younger sister.
You are
And now
three, okay. Including you, you
yeah,
are three brother and
yeah,
sister.
yeah, yeah. Including me, we all are three siblings in my
And
family.
your brother and sister also student. What does your elder brother do?
My brother doing work. He's an electrician, and my
Okay.
sister is a schooling student.
Yes.
Now I'm
Yes.
also student.
Yes. That's why I'm asking only as a student question,
Yeah.
because you are also learner. I am also beginner. We are both beginner. So that's why first of all we make very easy sentence in starting, because in initial stage we don't use any compact sentence and vocab also. First of all we use only simple sentence.
Yeah.
You have two another siblings, so you speak English them.
No. I only speak English. Try to just speak English for my future, for the
Yes.
future.
But
Because
You do daily practice after 10 or 10 days and 20 days, you are able to speak. You see difference also. So
Yeah,
you
yeah.
do
But
you do more and more practice daily. Like you attend to, if you are not comfortable in video call, you attend audio call also.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So you are also beginner. How long started your English journey? How many days you started?
No, first of all, when I was in the 12th standard, I
Okay.
started learning English and interact towards learning English. And now I'm before 10 days, I just started to speak and practice English.
Yes, yes. That is the
Before 10 days
best
only.
idea. Yes.
Yeah,
And daily, you don't hesitate because in front of all persons are like you.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes. And no one judge you. You are telling wrong, you speak wrong, right? It doesn't matter. You only speak in starting, you only question like why did start your journey and how long you start and family background. Only we are speaking through conversation, only that question. After that,
Yeah,
we know something like other topic, we have chosen some topic. After that, we do conversation like topic. So that's why.
yeah, yeah. More practice, more efficiency come in English, because in English practice is more important.
Yes, because other skill are different, but spoken part is only whenever we speak. If we
Yeah.
speak more, speaking comes from speaking. First of all, we open our mouth.
Yes, yes. Because we know all are that is we all understand English, but can't speak in front of anyone because we have not done too much practice in front of
Yes,
anyone. So
yes,
I
yes.
thought that I have to do practice with someone, and easily I can speak English with someone. So I thought that I have to join a conversation on any platform, and just I started to speak with someone, and my English improving now. Um, yeah, yeah.
Yes, that is the best idea because without speaking, we can't improve our speaking skill. Yes.
Yes, yes.
In,
Speaking
in,
is
yes, go
speaking
ahead.
only speaking is only enhance too much practice.
Too much practice because it is just a language. Since childhood, we are habitual our mother tongue. Don't teach mother tongue, but we are very good in our mother tongue because since childhood, everyone and in our surrounding, everyone speak in our native language like dialect. I am from Haryana. My dialect is Haryanvi, and you are from Bihar, also Bhojpuri, and other dialect also spoken.
Yes, yes,
So that's why if we do daily practice for spoken, and we also improve our spoken English.
yes, yes, yes. Uh,
Uh,
if I daily practice in English, then our English is automatically improve by day, not
if
one day,
we,
but in one day. If you able to conversation with in English with anyone, so
yes,
practice is more important. I think practice is
yes,
more important
only
rather than starting reading, and
no, no, no,
practice is
only
more important.
speaking practice.
Yes,
Only
yes.
first of all, one or two video listen you, and after that you start your speaking skill. Only speaking comes from speaking. So that's why we are poor in speaking. We are not speaking in our house also, and whenever we go to outside, we only talk in our dialect, native language. So that's why even yes, beside your sister also.
No, no, anyone. I just laugh because I'm beginner. You all and your speaking accent is so a beginner type. So
Yes.
I laughing just now.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
At least you don't hesitate. Laughing is laughing is good, then become hesitant.
yes, yes.
Ask you some question.
Hmm. Yes. In Haryana, where are you from?
I'm from Rohtak city.
Rohtak city. Do
Have
you
you
know
heard about Rohtak?
Yamuna Jagadri? Jagadri.
Yes, yes. Because
Yeah.
sometimes in summer vacation, I have visited many tourist, many places like Kurukshetra, and in between Yamuna is. So that's why.
Hmm.
Have you
Yeah,
visited
I was.
Yamuna?
Yeah, yeah. Yamuna Nagar. I was visited
Which purpose?
because some work with my brother. I go for a uh, device is
Okay,
too hot.
we have visited your brother.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes. Yes,
Can
yes.
I call, cut you call because my phone is too much hot. Hot हो
Okay.
गया है because of summer and warning are coming in my phone.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you. मिलेंगे फिर.